हेलो एवरीवन, आपका स्वागत है अमनोपीडिया में। जैसा कि दोस्तों आप जानते हैं कि ये चैनल अभी नया है और नए नए रिव्यूज आने स्टार्ट हुए हैं जो कि एक मसालेदार चटकेदार आपको हर न्यूज़ समय से पहले पहुंचाता है। बात करते हैं आज अनकट फुटेज की। हम बात कर रहे हैं जुनैद के पापा पहुंचे थे एक फिल्म के प्रमोशन में। एक्चुअली फिल्म के ट्रेलर के प्रमोशन में वो पहुंचे थे। फिल्म का नाम है थंडेल। नागा चैतन्य और साई पल्लवी इसमें मुख्य भूमिकाओं में हैं। ट्रेलर लॉन्च किया गया है पिछले कल ही और आमिर खान समय निकालकर इस फिल्म के ट्रेलर लॉन्च पे पहुंचे और उन्होंने कुछ खास बातचीत भी की। उन्हें देख के तो काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था, बट बात यहाँ पे सोचने वाली ये है कि 7 फेब को उनके अपने बेटे जुनैद की भी फिल्म रिलीज हो रही है लब याप्पा। इस दौरान वो दूसरी फिल्म के प्रमोशन पे जो कि सेम डेट पर रिलीज हो रही है कैसे पहुंचे? क्या ये कोई अलग तरकीब है अपने बेटे को प्रमोट करने की, या फिर उनका दोस्ताना जो व्यवहार है अल्लू अरविंद जी के साथ और नागा चैतन्य के साथ, उसका वो अपना एक दोस्ती का फर्ज निभा रहे थे? बट बात की जाए ट्रेलर की, ट्रेलर काफ़ी अच्छा था। फिल्म के अगर म्यूज़िक की बात की जाए तो म्यूज़िक काफ़ी अच्छा है। RSP रॉकस्टार का म्यूज़िक है इसमें। शिवा के ऊपर एक गाना है जो कि बेहद ही रोमांचित करने वाला गाना है, जोश से भरपूर गाना है ये। और देखना ये होगा कि फिल्म किस तरह की होगी ये। अभी तो ट्रेलर लॉन्च हुआ है, ट्रेलर में कुछ खास तो समझ में नहीं आया है, सिर्फ इतना पता चल रहा है एक लव स्टोरी है और ये रियल इंसिडेंट पे कहीं ना कहीं बेस्ड स्टोरी है ये। आइए देखते हैं कि स्टार कास्ट ने ऐसा क्या कहा है। इसमें जो भी लोग उपस्थित थे उनके अनकट फुटेज आइए देखते हैं। गाइस, जाने से पहले
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Mr. Amir Khan. Welcome, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here. And I can say on behalf of each and every cine lover कि जब आप खड़े होते हैं किसी क्रू के साथ, किसी फिल्म के साथ, तो वो भरोसा ना थोड़ा और गहरा हो जाता है कि आमिर खान वो है तो कुछ तो होगा। प्लीज टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस
वेल, सबसे पहले तो मैं शुक्रिया अदा करना चाहूंगा। आप सब ने इतना प्यार दिया है मुझे। All of you all have given me so much love. Thank you so much. I'm really touched. But the fact is that Arvind Garu is like an elder brother, and when his phone came, his film is releasing. So before even knowing everything, I had first said yes. You know that, sir. I said yes. Then he said, no, but I want you to know it's coming on 7th. I said, हाँ. So then he said, your son's film is also releasing. I said, no problem. सब फिल्में चलेंगी यार। I think जब फिल्म की कहानी अच्छी होती है तो ऑडियंस उसको पसंद करती है, और बहुत दफ़ा हमने देखा है कि साथ में बहुत सारी फिल्में एक साथ चली हैं। तो ऑल माई वेरी बेस्ट। I really love the trailer. It's a fantastic trailer. It's so well shot and great music. You know, there's a song of yours, Dinka Chika, Dinka Chika. That's my favorite song. Yeah, मैं normally मुझे नाचना पसंद नहीं है, but वो गाना बजता है तो मैं शुरू हो जाता हूँ। I promise you. And Salman knows this. Yeah. So, I think it's a great trailer. The story, as you said, it's a true story, and it's certainly a story which is very moving. And जिस तरह ट्रेलर में हमने देखा है, it's so beautifully shot and the emotions have come out so well. Jay is an amazing actor, and so is Sai Pallavi. So both of their moments have come out so well, and I think it's going to be a huge success. My very best to the entire team, Jay.
Thank you so much, sir. I would request all of you to kindly be seated. Thank you so much. Okay, so Arvind sir, I have a question for you. There's a lot of history here. You know, whenever we talk about a pan-Indian film, Gajani का जिक्र होता ही है. And you know, वो 100 crores और वो एक अलग benchmark set कर देना with this gentleman here. So this goes a long way. Talk to us about that also, sir.
That time reaching 100 crores is something which is impossible, difficult kind of thing. And certain behind stories you don't know. In the middle of the film, he challenged in the sets with me and Madhu that this is going to be the first 100 crore film.
Nice, sir. Did I say that?
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like me, sir.
Yeah. But you
Doesn't
told me
sound like me.
It was a late night, sir. And I thought it was
Short-term memory loss.
No, we were wishing like that, rather we say.
Wishful thinking. Yes.
Wishful thinking. And rather we were promoting that to you.
Yes.
And-
Wonderful memories here of
And
Gajini.
it did. The first 100 crore club, Gajini is the film in the history.
Yes.
And I wish I should make another, now it is 100 has become 1,000.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So I want to make a 1,000 crore film with him now.
So definitely, sir. Definitely.
Maybe Gajini too. Maybe Gajini too.
So a lot of,
Yeah, something is
on the net is going around Gajini
not
too.
going around. No,
This
actually,
is where you heard it
we
first.
both
This is where
did
you
not
heard
think
it
about
first.
it. People started writing about it.
Manifestation, so it's going to happen.
So talking about history, Amir, so this one's for you. Talking about history, of course, you've worked with this gentleman here, the very talented Che sir. So tell us something about him. You know, when he was working with you, kya, as an actor, what did you see in him?
He's an ideal co-star to have. Yeah. He's absolutely on the ball, complete team player. You know, we had such a great time working together. He's absolutely on the ball for every shot. Doesn't miss a beat. And a great human being to hang out with. Yeah. So we couldn't have asked for anything better. Right. It was such an amazing experience working with Che, and that you know got us really close together. So though we don't talk every day, but at one time we were living out of each other's pockets. We used to travel together, shoot, come back together. We were always together. But both of us have great fondness for each other, and I think I'm so happy to see you again today. Yeah.
जैसा you know आमिर सर के लिए कहा जाता है that he completely you know वो immerse कर लेते हैं अपने को whenever he's doing a movie, right? He's 120% there और फिर वो साल महीने दिन नहीं गिनते. So वहां से कहीं से इंस्पिरेशन आया था that 2 years without signing any other movie. So was it like inspired by the gentleman here? इसके लिए 2 साल दे दिए और कुछ और नहीं किया.
Maybe in a way. Maybe in a way, because
You didn't shoot anything else, just two.
no,
Oh,
no,
wow.
no, didn't shoot anything.
Wow. So we're really looking forward to this one, yeah? Wow.
Yeah, maybe in a way.
How was it? How was it for you? Talk to us about that because of course a busy actor जो कि कह रहा है अब I'm 120% dedicated to this project and finally it is out. Talk to us about this journey.
No, as an actor, when the role really inspires you and when you're really moved by the character you're playing, the time doesn't matter, at least for me. You know, whether it's 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, it's not about that. It's about translating what you had envisioned and getting that right. Because today, once the film releases and once it's out, nothing is in your hands. So at least when it's in your hands, when you have control over the product, you know, be patient with it and do what you can. Right. So that's what I believe in.
Right. Chandu sir, based on real life stories, talk to us about that. You know, did you like meet all those people? Like, how did it all happen?
Yeah, I mean, basically it's a emotional love story.
Yeah.
But when it comes to the after Pakistan scenes, so how Raju saved his guys.
Right.
Okay, the other 21 along with him from among those cutthroat criminals in the jail, in the Karachi jail. Okay.
Talking about me,
when
sir.
it comes to the village, Satya, Raju's love. Okay, all the way to Demachilism, a small village. He goes to Delhi to get them back.
Right.
Okay, yeah, and this is a real story.
And this is looking very real on that big screen.
Yeah.
वो organic लग रहा है. That is why I asked you this question. It is looking all organic. So did you like have this on your mind? Like, did you guys discuss this amongst yourself that this is how the thing is going to be like? We want this. क्या कहते हैं? Process ऐसा होना चाहिए कुछ something like
No,
that?
I mean, as it is a real-time story, me along with my team, along with my hero, my producer, Banni Vasu, everyone, even with Bhanu Pratap, Karthik, everyone, we went there, we researched there, we studied their language, their body language, everything. So it was actually, to say it was a bit easy for them because of we have a live example.
Right.
Yeah, to read them.
Right.
Yeah.
Arvind sir, we've got to know that recently Bunny sir also met Miss Bansuri Swaraj in Delhi.
Banni Vasu.
Bunny Vasu.
Yeah,
met
Banni
her,
Vasu.
right?
Yeah.
So talk to us about that. What was it like? Because Sushma
So
Swaraj
this,
ji ka
this
kuch-
story happens in between 2018 and 19, where they were caught at that point of time.
Yeah.
So when It's about the story of the film. I think so. We should not reveal so much actually.
So some things they cannot reveal,
It's a,
which we will save for the film.
it's a part of suspense of the film.
Okay.
And
ये गलत सवाल पूछ दिया तूने.
certain things have happened during Sushma Swaraj stayed in as an external minister.
Right.
So that we brought that part into this film.
But you know why I ask you this question is because a lot of back end research has gone into it. ये सिर्फ ये नहीं है कि 2 लाइन की कोई कहानी मिल गई और उसको बना दिया. You guys have done it like you've been there in the entire process. So for you, what were the guidelines given to you? Like what was it like? Because this is not a regular movie ना, ये तो कुछ हटके. तो क्या बोला गया था आपको?
Okay, the first time when I received a call from
So he's not only music director for this film, he's also a writer, sir. We discuss a lot about the story. I have lot of hours to hours discussion we have.
Right.
Yeah.
Wow.
He's not the music director. He's different. He will come, sit with the story sitting, and he'll come to the sets. He will come to the dance, these things. He will think over, he will go, change something, and he is slightly mad. So much.
Sir, what you said right now is a blessing. Sir.
My time of
The biggest compliment I could ever get. Woohoo! Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Uncle. Thank you. Yeah, so, yeah. So, I'm still basking in the glory of what Amir sir just said. Like me, he said, what more do I ask for, sir? I think any passionate technician has to be that mad, no, sir. The madness is what drives us to the next one. And of course, we all learn from people like you, sir. So, thank you, sir.
No, we learn from each other.
Oh,
The process of learning never stops. Yeah.
Exactly, sir. Exactly. Thank you for that, sir. So, yeah, the first time when I got a call from Chandu sir and Bunny was, first they told me as a one-liner. They said, this will like, we are thinking of a story like this, which happened. It's a true incident. And it was just like, maybe like 2-3 minutes call. That's it. As soon as they said that one-liner, I said, let's do this movie. So it was so exciting because the border crossing in the Pakistani and all that, the fishermen, I thought, oh, and I'm also a beach lover because I'm based out of Chennai. And I grew up always, going and sitting alone on the beach, listening to Ilayaraja sir's music, listening to Michael Jackson's music. So, yeah, I think you should give a huge round of applause to Ilayaraja sir and Michael Jackson here.
Alone another top.
Alone at different times, uncle. So, yeah. So, like, I don't know, the sound of water always inspires me, and I could hear the sound of an ocean all through the narration when they were saying it. So that's why in all the lyrics, I would have somehow brought in a reference of the saltness of the water. Or
You were going to sing a song last time. Now you must be ready by now. By now you would be ready.
Oh my God.
Give us a few
No,
lines.
this is like I'm sitting in front of a school teacher. It's like, hey, don't escape your homework.
No, we are the audience. You cannot escape the audience.
Sure, sir. So that's how it started, and I loved what they narrated, sir. And then we right away, like we actually dived into the ocean of his narration. Yeah. And then we came out with this, and they made it so beautifully, sir. Every emotion was like beautiful in the movie. So I should thank them for making this amazing script, and of course.
See, this is what they want. Amir sir ने सही करवा दिया यहाँ. Sir, this is just a bahana, sir. Every time you take.
Sir, you sing and Arvind Garu will dance.
Thank you, Amir sir, for that. Beat. Okay, beat. You do that. Jay sir, I'll quickly come to you. You know, one last thing, because this is one movie that is going to appeal to anyone and everyone across the country. And वो pan India नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, लेकिन ये वही वाली feel है कि everybody, and we've seen your work, yeah.
बॉलीवुड से जुड़ी सभी जानकारियों के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें अमनोपीडिया को, लाइक एंड शेयर करना ना भूलें। देखते रहें अमनोपीडिया।